Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make something very simple, easy. I'm going to be making egg with some bok choy and some green onions, and there's the egg of course, and a little small garlic in there. So I will be adding all that in a cup, and yeah, I'll just put that in the bottom of the video, everything that I'm putting in the cup. In the meantime, I am heating up my cast iron pan. I'm using a portable gas stove. I'm in a rush. I'm kind of late. I'm now started doing some exercise, and I'm walking the dog more than an hour and a half, and time just flies. So I will be eating the eggs with also accompanied with avocado and a plum. Plum is not keto, but it is low carb. Yes, I've been doing that and it has worked for me. It doesn't work for everybody, but whatever works for you, you do it. If you want to do it very strictly, you do it. It's your choice. All right, my friends, so there's the results. As easy as it is, very simple, something so quick to make. You can add peppers, red peppers, to make it colorful. Even hot dogs. I have even done like a sandwich style, like folding it. In the middle would be cheese. Yeah, I would do many things, but I'm trying to stay away a little bit of the fat. I'm gonna try to eat less fatty meats as well, because my doctor told me that my cholesterol is high. So I don't know. She says there's a bad cholesterol and there's a good cholesterol. So she says my bad one is high. So I don't know. I'm going to just change the meats, because I did change the meats just before the pandemic started. And maybe that's why. There's a couple things that I've been eating. So that's what I'm going to change, my meats, to make it more leaner. This is as simple as it gets. I'm going to drink some water instead of a cup of tea, because I'm kind of hot. So I'm going to drink water with this, and plus my fruit, which is a plum. I know it's not keto. Like I said, this is a low carb meal that I'm going to eat right now. Because of the fruit, I'm going to call it low carb. All right, my friends, hope you enjoyed this quick, easy, simple recipe. I hope you prepare it at home. You can eat it at any time. It doesn't have to be breakfast, because right now it's basically lunch for me. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.